This is what freezing rain does. You can see the branch end, and you can hear the tree that's trying to come down from all the freezing rain. Everything is just encased in ice, including the swing set, or the play toy. And all of this is iced over. And you can just hear the littlest movements make the tree not do good things. So hopefully this tree is able to recover, but I'm not sure. That's that part of the tree. So hopefully we don't have damage to the fence, but we will see. And you can even see there, and we're still getting more freezing rain right now.